Today we will prepare red bean buns, and the ingredients are very basic. You need flour number 1, add water and yeast. The quantities are given under the description. Now this is after 1 hour of mixing 3 ingredients together: flour, water and yeast. The flour has come to the stage of a dough where we can start preparation of the bun. We will use red bean paste available in supermarkets. From the Chinese grocery we bought this particular packet, red bean paste. This is what we are going to use for this creation. If the dough is too wetty, you can add dry flour and mix it. After you get the right mix, cover it with the skin so that the moisture will not escape. And the dough will keep its constitution. Make balls of dough as shown with hand. That's how you make the skin. And then you fill it with black bean paste. And that's how you make the balls.
And like this.
Making the skin. Filling with the black bean paste. Making the shape, and then shape the ball, and that's how the balls look like. The balls have been prepared like this. Place a saucepan with water on the stove and place the steaming
This
top.
Put a cloth. This cloth must be
and then
wet, not be dry.
wet the parchment cloth. This is a parchment cloth. Place the parchment cloth on top of the steamer.
Yeah. Now
Like this.
this.
Place all the prepared
But
flour balls
give her some gap because they
on the
will
steamer,
stand. Yeah.
and remember to keep a gap in between the balls to avoid them getting stuck together.
Yeah.
If it gets stuck together, when you remove it, that will open up and all the bean paste can spill off. Close the steamer and keep it intact for some time without opening the flame. Reason for keeping them intact without steaming is for the yeast reaction to continue for some time, so that these dough balls become fluffy better, and the yeast reaction to seed. Then you open the fire, because when the steaming goes up, the yeast will stop its reaction. After about now 20 minutes, it has been steaming, and now you can see the gaps have been filled up with the balls, dough balls, dough buns, yes. And keep it close. That's the completed bun. Now, when you open, delicious.
See, like this. See, very good.
The shorts.